Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your JBL Live 500 headphones. So to do this, you have to focus on this right headphone where you can find few buttons, and as you can see, let me just catch focus. Okay, so right here we can find a few buttons, and we have to basically click and hold the volume up and the volume down buttons together for at least 5 seconds. So let's do this right now. Let's click and hold these buttons. You can take a look for this indicator right here. There we go. It blinks white for 3 times, and then it's simply turned off. And right now they are like fully restart, and they are in the pairing mode right now. So when you try to get this previously connection, when you click on them once, you will be not connected back. You can get the new pairing request, so it means that we successfully perform the complete reset. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.